Investors have complimented the network's comparatively superior returns and the developing non-fungible token or NFT market as the price of Zilliqa has climbed in recent days. The ZIL coin is presently selling at 10.76 cents, up over 30% from its low point earlier this month. Keep an eye out for Vitalik Buterin's thoughts on Zilliqa and how far Zilliqa can go. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, make sure the post alerts are switched on so you don't miss a video from us. Over the last several years, cryptocurrencies have progressed from a fringe hobby enjoyed by a select few tech-savvy individuals throughout the world to a genuine asset class recognized by some of the world's most prestigious institutions. In recent months, cryptocurrency values have soared, with several cryptocurrencies achieving new highs in the March to April 2022 time period. However, a relatively obscure coin known as Zilliqa Crypto has exploded in popularity in the crypto market. Zilliqa has been a doomed blockchain project for a long time, and as a consequence, its total ranking among all cryptocurrencies has been dropping. At one point, it was one of the top 30 largest cryptocurrency projects in the world. Investors and engineers flocked to Zilliqa because it was the first to use Sharding technology. A transaction is sharded when it is split into multiple blocks to speed up processing. Crypto investors and retail traders can communicate with the co-founders and staff of many blockchain initiatives on Twitter. The unique nature of conversations between average investors and teams. A prominent Zilliqa community member recently asked Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum, why he has yet to acknowledge the Zilliqa project, following a similar request from a community member of the ADA project. When asked if the Ethereum and Zilliqa projects can coexist in the long run, Vitalik Buterin recognized the Cardano project. Mr. Buterin also remarked that both the Ethereum and Zilliqa projects have potential to develop and thrive in the long run. In late April, the Zilliqa team released ZIL, the project's groundbreaking tipping bot, on the Telegram messaging network. For Zilliqa, the tipping bot has opened up a world of endless possibilities, since it now provides Telegram's 400 million users instant access to ZIL. In addition, from the 9th to the 11th of May, the team launched a trial Twitter campaign on Social Pay, rewarding Twitter users for posting Zilliqa updates or announcements on the social media site. Users simply had to link their Twitter accounts to social.zilliqa.com and tweet with the hashtag. The campaign was a success, with over 5,297 incentives claimed at the time of writing. Since the coronavirus crash in mid-March, the price of Zilliqa has been heading upwards, with ZIL hitting a local low of about 0.00225 during the event. The token is presently trading for 10.76 cents, indicating a 331% rise in less than 2 months back in 2021. The price had climbed by a factor of 4.311, verifying Vitalik Buterin's forecast of Zilliqa's success despite the entry of other currencies into the highly sought-after crypto market. The most talked about and well-respected are Zilliqa and ERC20 tokens. Mr. Jean Shudong, the chief executive officer of Zilliqa, and his team came up with the brilliant concept of launching this asset in the first quarter of 2017. His concept was backed up by a dedicated team of advisors and blockchain algorithm professionals that assisted in the creation of the Zilliqa coin. Let's take a look at the current state of Zilliqa and forecast the price of Zilliqa in the future. In 2018, few people were familiar with Zilliqa currency, and many were hesitant to trade in Zilliqa crypto. The Zilliqa coin has the advantage of being able to transact rates as the network grows, resulting in a massive increase in the number of miners. Zilliqa is the first public blockchain of its kind to use Sharding technology. Zilliqa can meet enterprise demands thanks to its Sharding technology, which can overcome the current scalability difficulty by handling a big volume of transactions. The issue of accessibility has been overcome by Zilliqa by implementing a hybrid consensus method that is supported by a powerful and high-bandwidth public blockchain platform. In this circumstance, the proof of work, the OS hash, is completely responsible for node functioning. Because a verified block can track the prior block, Zilliqa has the ability to detect fraudulent or misleading spear transactions. Zilliqa is based on cryptographic methods that rely on zero disclosure proof and mathematical coherence of the whole blockchain-enabled transaction, which is monitored without releasing any data or messages about the other parties. As a result, security threats are dealt with first. Credit goes to Zilliqa for developing the ZIL protocol, which is the backbone of the entire decentralized finance ecosystem, with a new release on the way. This protocol has a number of distinguishing features, including ensuring liquidity and ensuring lightning-fast transaction speeds on the network, which sets it apart from other Ethereum-based decentralized finance protocols, while also establishing a decentralized finance ecosystem. As a consequence, it is not an exaggeration to define Zilliqa tokens as catalysts for the installation of smart contracts and the flow of money. Furthermore, it has developed its own smart contract language, ZIL, via which developers may establish safe smart contracts. Despite the pricing estimates of many experts, Zilliqa continues to beat its competitors. Regardless, the Zilliqa community has set greater objectives for itself. The market share of ZIL in the crypto business will far exceed all investors' expectations, as this platform has shown to be extremely user-friendly. In the near future, another important launch of Zilliqa's token exchange is planned, which will be backed by a number of exchanges. It is not an exaggeration to say that Zilliqa has reached a high of 3.61, but this cannot be described as an especially overblown and euphoric peak in recent years. The Zilliqa forecast and price prediction chart has genuinely somersaulted, completely changing the trend from the beginning to the end of the year. During the previous year, the coin has traveled down memory lane. The ZIL coin has had a highly aggressive trend leading to a very optimistic path. Based on one-year historical data and market cap growth, the coin has the potential to grow in leaps and bounds, especially when it comes to alliances. New partnerships and development would catapult Zilliqa into the spotlight, positioning it as a hotbed for investment and a socially respected cryptocurrency. With each passing second, more transactions will be completed, posing a difficult challenge for crypto competitors. According to Zilliqa, the currency will develop its own blockchain infrastructure and will soon be listed on the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchanges, moving away from Ethereum. According to Zilliqa Price projection, the pricing momentum of the previous year and the start of this year may indicate the end of all negative and gloomy tendencies and the beginning of an age of hopes and promises full of optimism. 2021 has had tremendous growth in the second quarter and is expected to continue to rise despite occasional price decreases. The price of Zilliqa is predicted to reach about 30 cents by the end of 2022. The price of Zilliqa has risen to a new all-time high of 21 cents in 2021, and based on the current surge, we can expect it to cross the 30-cent threshold by the end of the year. At the same time, the bottom may be around 10 cents, which is a critical support level, so short-term investors or traders might buy Zilliqa on dips and profit handsomely from their investment in this manner, according to the Zilliqa forecast. The Zilliqa price is predicted to soar over 32 cents in 2022. The price of Zilliqa is expected to fluctuate between 40 cents and 25 cents. With fiat currencies struggling to survive in the aftermath of the epidemic, Zilliqa price could skyrocket, possibly approaching its previous all-time high. Expert cryptocurrency investors always plan for the long term, and it would not be exaggerating to say that this well-priced cryptocurrency could overcome all barriers and survive the test of time, reaching a high of $1. This might be a good relief for those investors who have been hoping to deal in Zilliqa with high aspirations. We've come to an end by reading the Stock Watch report and keeping a Zilliqa monitoring prediction on a regular basis for informational purposes. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. The information in this video is provided solely for educational purposes and should not be construed as financial advice. We all know that the crypto market is extremely volatile, and by the time you watch this video, the prices will have changed to an entirely new level, so all financial decisions should be made after conducting extensive research. Also, make sure that you like this video by leaving a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest crypto news.